I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter chicken in a large quantity, step by step. We'll begin by preparing our ingredients for a generous batch, perfect for feeding a crowd or meal prepping. Marinating your chicken overnight is key for deep flavor, and having all your aromatics ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the heart of our butter chicken, the rich and aromatic sauce. Begin by sautéing your onions until they are beautifully golden, then introduce the fragrant garlic and ginger. Next, stir in the tomato paste, allowing it to deepen in color and flavor before adding the crushed tomatoes. This foundational step ensures a robust and delicious base for your large batch. With our sauce base established, it's time to infuse it with the signature spices of butter chicken. We'll add a generous amount of butter, along with garam masala, turmeric, cayenne pepper, and salt to create that perfect balance. Then, gently fold in your marinated chicken, allowing it to cook slowly in the flavorful sauce. This simmering process ensures tender chicken and a well-developed taste. We're almost there. For the final flourish, stir in 1 cup of rich heavy cream, which adds a luxurious silkiness to our butter chicken. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro brightens the dish beautifully. Remember to simmer gently after adding the cream, avoiding a rolling boil. Taste and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Then serve this magnificent, large batch butter chicken with your favorite accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.